Tracking multiple projects in Microsoft Project can be efficiently managed using a master project with sub-projects. Here's how to do it. Create and organize sub-projects. Create separate project files. Start by creating individual project files for each project you want to track. Ensure each project has its tasks, resources, and schedule defined. Set baselines. For each project, set a baseline to capture the original plan for tracking purposes. Create a master project. Create a new master project. Open a new Microsoft project file that will serve as your master project. Insert sub-projects. In the master project, go to Project, Sub-project, then browse and select the project files you created earlier. This will insert them as sub-projects within the master file. Track progress across projects. View overall progress. In the master project, you can view the progress of each sub-project within a single timeline. Use the Gantt chart view to see how tasks from different projects align. Consolidated reporting. Generate reports from the master project to get an overview of all projects, such as task progress, resource usage, and variances. Manage resources. Shared resource pool. If multiple projects share resources, you can create a shared resource pool to manage and track resource allocation across all projects. Update and adjust. Update sub-projects. As work progresses, update each sub-project's tasks. The master project will automatically reflect these updates. Adjust timelines. If needed, adjust timelines or reallocate resources directly in the master project to keep all projects on track.